Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a first-time home buyer, congratulations! Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and while most people focus on mortgage rates, property location, or home inspections, there's one critical aspect of homeownership that is often overlooked: homeowners insurance. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about homeowners insurance, why it's essential, how it works, and tips for finding the best coverage at the best price. Whether you're buying your first house, condo, or townhouse, this guide will help you make smarter choices and protect your investment. So, what exactly is homeowners insurance? At its core, homeowners insurance is a policy that protects your home and personal property from unexpected events. This can include damage from fire, theft, storms, certain types of water damage, and even liability for injuries that happen on your property. In most cases, lenders will require you to have homeowners insurance before you can close on your home. But even if you're paying cash, having coverage is a smart decision because it safeguards one of your most valuable assets. Homeowners insurance isn't just about the structure of your house. It also covers your personal property, liability protection, and additional living expenses if you can't live in your home due to covered damage. Essentially, it's your financial safety net, giving you peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you won't be left with overwhelming costs. Let's talk about the types of coverage that are typically included in a homeowner's insurance policy. First, there's dwelling coverage. This protects the structure of your home itself: walls, roof, floors, built-in appliances, and even attached garages. If a covered event damages your house, dwelling coverage helps pay to repair or rebuild it. Next is personal property coverage. This protects your belongings inside the home, like furniture, electronics, clothes, and other valuables. It's important to note that high-value items such as jewelry, fine art, or collectibles may have coverage limits, so you may need additional endorsements or riders to fully protect them. Liability coverage is another critical component. Accidents happen, and if someone gets injured on your property, liability coverage helps pay for medical bills or legal expenses. It can also cover damage you accidentally caused to someone else's property. Finally, most policies include coverage for additional living expenses. If your home becomes temporarily uninhabitable due to a covered event, this part of your policy helps pay for hotel stays, meals, and other extra living costs while repairs are underway. Understanding these four main types of coverage is crucial for first-time buyers because it helps you ensure your policy actually meets your needs. Now, let's dive into what determines your insurance premium. How much you pay each month isn't random. It's influenced by a variety of factors. Location is a big one. If your home is in an area prone to natural disasters like floods, hurricanes, or wildfires, insurance companies consider you higher risk, which can increase your premium. The age and condition of your home also matter. Older homes or homes with outdated electrical, plumbing, or roofing systems can cost more to insure because they are more susceptible to damage. The materials your home is built from are also important. For example, brick or stone houses often have lower premiums than wooden homes because they are more resistant to fire. Your claims history, both for your home and auto insurance, can impact rates as well. Insurance companies prefer homeowners who haven't made frequent claims. Your credit score can even affect your premium. In most states, insurers use a credit-based insurance score to help predict the likelihood of future claims. Additionally, the amount of coverage you choose, the deductible you select, and the value of your personal property all play a role in determining the cost of your policy. Next, let's cover some common misconceptions first-time buyers often have about homeowners insurance. One mistake is assuming that your mortgage lender's insurance requirements are sufficient for your needs. While lenders require coverage, it may not fully protect your belongings or account for rebuilding costs. Another common misconception is that standard homeowners insurance covers all types of natural disasters. For example, floods and earthquakes usually require separate policies or endorsements. Also, some people think liability coverage is optional, but even a small incident, like a guest slipping on your porch, could result in thousands of dollars in medical bills and legal fees. Now that we understand the basics, let's talk about ways to save money without sacrificing coverage. First, shop around and compare quotes from multiple insurers. Rates can vary significantly between companies for the same coverage. Bundling your homeowner's insurance with auto or other policies often results in discounts. Increasing your deductible can lower your monthly premium, but make sure it's an amount you could reasonably pay out of pocket if you needed to file a claim. Installing safety features such as smoke detectors, security systems, or storm-resistant windows may also qualify you for discounts. Maintaining good credit and minimizing claims can help keep your rates low over time. For first-time buyers, it's also helpful to understand the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value policies. Replacement cost coverage pays to rebuild or repair your home and replace your belongings at current market value, without depreciation. Actual cash value, on the other hand, factors in depreciation, which could leave you with less money to replace damaged items. Generally, replacement cost coverage is recommended, especially for your home and high-value possessions. Finally, remember that homeowners insurance is not one-size-fits-all. Every home, neighborhood, and homeowner has unique risks. Take the time to read your policy carefully, ask questions, and consider additional coverage if needed. For example, if you live in a flood zone, you might need a separate flood insurance policy. If you own valuable art, jewelry, or collectibles, you might need an endorsement or rider to ensure full protection. Being informed and proactive will save you stress and money in the long run. In conclusion, homeowners insurance is an essential part of protecting your most valuable investment. It covers the structure of your home, your personal belongings, liability risks, and even temporary living expenses if something goes wrong. By understanding your policy, shopping around, and making informed choices, you can ensure that you're adequately protected without overpaying. Remember, buying a home is exciting, but insurance is what helps you sleep at night knowing that your investment is safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more first-time homebuyer tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to smart, confident homeownership.